Hey guys, so I am doing a random air fryer unboxing today. I did not expect to do this at all. I honestly forgot it was actually coming, and the Amazon guy just literally rung the doorbell. So I'm just like, let me do an unboxing for my YouTube family. So here I am. It is an air fryer. It's by the company, and I promise you I'm saying it wrong. Cosori is Cosori. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I'm really excited about it. I'm sorry if you hear noises and stuff like that. My kids are running around and all of that. So it is a super random, like, vlog style unboxing, okay? But yeah, I'm going to show you guys what's a part of it. My main thing with buying the air fryer was, first of all, my last one is on, well, my old one is on its last leg, and I wanted a backup just in case it, dies out. Also, I read the reviews, and there were so many great reviews, and it is super pretty. So I was really excited about that too. You can't go wrong with it. Works well and it's pretty. So yeah, so we're gonna actually see if it does work well and turns on and it's the color I need it to be and all of that. So this is a straight up unboxing, and yeah, so if you enjoy videos like unboxings and hauls and budget friendly everything, this is the channel for you. Hopefully hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you don't miss any uploads from me. So yeah, let's get into it. So guys, here it is. I am super excited. Like, this is a straight up unboxing. I don't want to show the top of the box because, like, my address and everything is on there, but yeah, so here it is. I'm about to open it. Hopefully it's the right color and everything. So let's get into this air fryer and see what it's about. All right, so it's sealed up and I'm about to open it up. So, oh my gosh, I shouldn't be this excited for an air fryer, should I? I don't think I should be this excited for an air fryer, but here it is. I still don't know if it's the right color, but it's huge. It's the 5.8 quart one. I'm not sure, but it's the large one. So I'm gonna put the phone down and take it out the box so you guys can see. Hopefully I won't be disappointed. Okay guys, I finally got it out of the box. Like, that took longer than it should have. That definitely did. The box looks a little silverish. We'll see if it's the white one or not, but the silver one is fine. If not, but yeah, let's see. So here it is, 5.8 quart air fryer, simple, one touch, recipe book, 100 air fryer recipes included, shake reminder even for frying, 11 easy cooking presets. This looks like it's going to be really nice, so let's open it. Okay, here it is. I am so excited. Super duper. They even have this taped up good. So far, so great. I don't have any complaints right now. So yeah, I saw so many great reviews regarding this brand. We're always used to the brands we see mostly on TV. So every other brand probably seems like it's not going to be good, but I see so many great reviews on it. So that's why I got it. I thought it was really pretty. So that was a bonus. So yeah, I'm going to take the tape and stuff on. Take the tape off, sorry. Plug it up so I can see the different features. And yeah, so I can show you. Okay, so I took everything off. It's actually like saved right here on the side of me. But yeah, I took it all off so that you guys can really see what it looks like. I'm going to open it because it's plastic inside. So make sure you always read the instructions too before you start plugging things up. So it looks like it's an easy open. I actually thought I broke it because it's like an easy glide. It's not like a hard glide there. So it's super easy to pull down. And on the inside, it has all of these goodies. Oops. trays and everything inside of it. So I'm gonna, you know, put the phone down and take everything out so we can see the features and things. Okay, so I took everything out because I don't want to plug it up with the plastic and stuff, obviously still on the inside of it. So here it is. Like I said, you glide it up and to take the big compartment out, and then when you glide it up, you push this button here and this part comes out. So it's super easy, and it just snaps right back in. So that's really easy. I love things that are super convenient, easy. You just, I'm still trying to do all of this with one hand and record, and you just pop it right back in. Maybe not as hard, but pop it right back in. So I'm gonna take the plastic off the cord and I'm just going to plug it up, and then once I see that it's working really good and things like that, I'm gonna wash it out, and probably in another video I'll show you how it cooks and all of that. Not today, but yeah, so here it is. Also, this is what it came with too, the rack. I think it's, I don't know, I'm gonna have to read up on the rack, but yeah, they got the rack and this. So I'm gonna read up on it in like 3 seconds, and I'm gonna tell you what both of these are for. But yeah, it's turned on, and then, ooh, there it is right there. So it has all of the different features right here. Preheat, they have like the bacon, shrimp, fish, chicken, steak. You can bake in here too. They got bread, cake, vegetables. Yeah, so French fries. We have a snowflake. Yeah, I doubt if you can make smoothies in here, but so we're gonna see what that snowflake means in a minute. So yeah, I'm really excited. Keep warm. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and with this, yeah. So this also came with it. I think this is the pack where the food ideas, recipe book, and all of that is. So I'm going to open this up too and show you. Okay, so this is the user manual here, recipe book there. They send like a thank you and like the warranty stuff here, and then this tells you what every feature is made for. So this one is, and they tell you how many minutes to do it for. Like, I'm used to an air fryer, so I know, well, I have to try it out in this one, but I'm pretty sure they're all like somewhat the same. So like, I know for salmon, for me, the ones I buy, it's 15 minutes, but you try it out, and it depends on how you like your items cooked. So I always do trial and error before you commit to their times. You know, you have to try it out for yourself. But the fish was the seafood, the steak, of course, well done, 10 minutes. Okay, but here's the shrimp, chicken, bacon, vegetables. Ooh, desserts. I don't think my last one could do that. Desserts, breads, French fries, root vegetables. Oh, here it is. Okay, this snowflake was for frozen foods. Okay. I was just like, wait a minute, what? But yeah, here's the different features. And like I said, you always, you know, trial and error. Try it out for yourself. Don't just depend on what they say, right? And these are just some tips of how to use it and all of that. Reference guide and other things on here. So yeah, so far so good. At least I know it turns on. I have to, before I put anything in here, I have to wash it out and all of that, but clean it. But I just wanted to show you guys this unboxing, and I hope you enjoy it. I will link everything below. So I'm actually going to link a couple places of where you can purchase it from, because we all have our different store preferences. So there you go. Some people may want to pick it up in a store, or some just want to get it delivered to their houses. So yeah, so I'm really excited to use it. Oh wait, I have to figure out what, like, I know this is the rack obviously, but I want to figure out what these were, because this does not come, it did not come with my other air fryer. So let me figure that out now. Okay, so it is L, which is the skewers. See, my last one did not come with any skewers or a skewer rack. So I'm really excited. You can make some kebabs. That sounds really, really good. So yeah, that's exciting. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog style unboxing. One thing I do like about this, it turns off when you're not using it. Like, you don't have to turn it off, it'll automatically turn off if it's inactive. So I really like that feature too. So yeah, as I find things that I love about it, I will be sharing it over at my Instagram page. So make sure you guys are following me over there. If you enjoy unboxing videos, hauls, budget friendly, everything, let me know, and I will bring you guys what you love to see. And if you want to join the TJI family, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you do not miss any other uploads from me, and hit that like video if you enjoyed this. So I will see you all in my next video, guys. Bye bye.